Hi friends, it's Deanna here today and welcome to my super messy sewing area. It is Sunday and I'm getting ready to go to church, and I thought, I like to do these little check-ins with you weekly, so here I am once again to do a check-in for the week. So welcome. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. It is a little bit of a mess of everything. I am a sewist that loves to sew, but I get to sew in the back of a camper. Right now we're in the middle of a move, so this is where I am, which is great, but it's also not great. It's a very small space. So this is what my sewing table looks like most days when I'm not sewing. So let's clean it up a little bit and go over some things that I found this week, some things I did, and then maybe some things that we're going to be working on this week as well. First of all, storage is very limited, so we have things stored everywhere in here. So when we have to get to something, a lot of times things have to come out. And these were all my bags, but I did want to show you, since it's here, one of my bags that I made myself, which I thought it is one of my favorite bags. This bag right here, it is so good. This is a Birkin style bag, and it is a Babylon leather bag kit. So it's a leather bag. They send you the kit. They send you all the different pieces and you sew it up. Like you hand stitch it together and put this beautiful bag together. And it's got like a very big pocket here. It's got a pocket where like a wallet pocket here. It is so good, and there's all different colors. I made another one which is hanging by my door. It's a saddle bag, so it's like a side bag, crossover kind of bag. You can do a crossover, you can do it different ways, but I love this one right here. So I just wanted to show it to you since it was right here in front. If you want to check it out, I think I have a link in my description box below, but anyway, it's super cute. Hold on, trying to close it while I talk to you guys, and I'm not doing a good job. Yeah, it is adorable. I think we're starting to set. Something just fell. More of a mess. Anyway, how cute is this? I love it. It's adorable. Anyway, put that aside. My son and I have been doing this thing where we are reading books and watching the movies. So they are right here. So we just piled them up here because we were watching a movie last night. We're doing the Hunger Games series. So that's what that is. I went to the thrift store this week. That was one thing I did. It's a love-hate relationship, the thrift store, for me. I don't know how you are. Comment below and let me know. Do you like the thrift store? Do you hate it? Two reasons. Sometimes I can find really good stuff. Sometimes I get frustrated because I get overwhelmed. There's so much to look at and I just can't, and I just walk out of there. I went with a friend and she was not done looking, so that kind of forced me to keep looking and get over it and just look around and don't get so overwhelmed. So I did, and I found a few things that I was kind of excited about. First of all, look how beautiful this book is. This is Wuthering Heights, but I love the cover. It's a hardcover. It was super cheap, and I was so excited because I love having hardcover beautiful books like this. And so I definitely got it because it was super cute. And I love books. Then I got the dress I'm wearing today, actually. I think is actually like a Shein special, which y'all know I don't really love or support it, but it was in a thrift store, and so I figured, it's cute, it fits. The only thing is that this whole panel right here is see-through, like completely see-through, so I'm wearing a tank underneath it. I may go ahead and find some blue fabric that matches it and put a little panel right there to cover up that see-throughness right there, because ain't no way I'm wearing it to church without a panel on there. Just not me. I'm not comfortable with that, but I thought it was super cute. I'll try to take a picture and post it. If there's no picture right here, it's because I forgot, so sorry about that. I have some overalls that I love to wear all the time, but there are Amazon overalls. I'll try to post a link below. I get questions about these overalls when I wear them on my Instagram all the time, and I do eventually one day want to try to recreate them and do a little pattern for them. They're super comfy. They're linen. I love them. They're just here because I wore them the other day. I washed them and I never put them away. I do get lots of questions. Oh, thrift store. Sorry, I'm not done with that. At the thrift store, I also found this jumpsuit one piece. which is really cute. Only problem is, and I always have this problem with jumpsuits or bathing suits store-bought, I have a very long torso. So when you have a very long torso, one pieces that are not handmade do not fit because it's too tight at the torso, so I get a big wedgie. So I'm thinking that this is so cute. I may go ahead and split it open and make it a separate because the pants fit really nicely. The top fits really nicely. They just don't fit. It needs to be stretched out. So then I would have separate. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm gonna hack this one, open it up and make it into a two-piece. So that was really cute. And then I found this beautiful dress right here. It's a little bit oversized, but the fabric was beautiful. So I thought I can take it down a little bit or redo the sleeves in a different way. And it's just a shift dress, but I love this fabric and I thought it was so pretty. So it's a little bit too big on me. So we're gonna shrink it up and see what happens with that. So maybe that's another one that will be coming for you. Another thing I bought, oh yes. And then this tank here is just a turtleneck ribbed tank. But once I tried it on, I remember I hate turtlenecks. So I think I'm gonna redo this neck to make more of a scoop neck. So it could be just like an undershirt with a scoop neck. So I will have to redo the neckband on this. Let me know if these are things that you want to see in the channel, like these little videos like this. They are helpful. A pair of jeans, a top that came from a set. I don't know why it's right here. One of my waterfall raglans. Every time I wear this pattern, everybody asks me what pattern it is. It's a waterfall raglan by Chalk and Notch. I love it so much. I have so many of them. It's so cute. I may do a tutorial on this one. It's super easy to sew because I probably want to have another one. Another thing I bought this week was some fabric. I went to Michael's because a lot of you said, oh, Michael's has a lot of the John's fabrics. Well, our Michael's here is small. The fabric section is really tiny and it's mostly just wovens, but I saw this and there's so many different colorways of this and it was so pretty. I had to have it. It's a woven. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's really cute. So I got that. I did cut out my shorts, my eucalyptus short pattern by Mood. This is a free pattern. I talked about it last time. I'm really hoping to make it this week. I already cut it out, so that's a good sign. So that's sitting right there. I made a jacket last week. This is the Harper jacket by Ellie and Mac. It is so cute. I hacked it that it doesn't need a zipper. There's no zipper in the front. I still have to stitch it down here. I haven't finished it completely. And then it has a bow closure here at the top, which I'm probably not doing a good job making this bow. So it's probably going to look like doo-doo. But anyway, it is so cute. Look at that. I love the bow detail there at the front. It is adorable. I just have to do a couple finishing stitches and then I can go ahead and take a picture of it. It looks so good. Can't wait to share that with you. And then I've got my pink pants here. I'm going to put pictures. So I shared with you that I made these last week, not the week just passed, but the week before. But I didn't share pictures of me wearing them because I hadn't taken pictures yet. I had just finished them. So I'm sharing some pictures here. I made this pink pair with the flare leg. So cute, wearing it with that Diana top. So adorable, both from Ellie and Mac. And then I made the one with the ruffle bottom. It's made in a thermal knit. So cute. I'm wearing it with a Zuzi tie-back top that is made in a eyelet stretch fabric. And then the last pair is made, oh, it's leggings. It's a legging style that this pattern has all those styles. Legging style worn with an oversized tee that I made in another video here. And then the last thing I have here on my mat, well, no, two more things, is this one jumpsuit. This is the one that off-shoulder one, the hack I did for Ellie and Mac. I'll post a picture here. I wore this on my cruise. It's so cute. If you want to see how I made this, head on over to the Ellie and Mac YouTube channel. And then I've got my other shirt here, which I'm just going to hide because you've already seen it. And then I've got a mess of stuff over here because it's almost summertime and it gets so hot here. We're starting to put this stuff on our windows, which is really weird. But anyway, that's it. That's all I have today. So this week I plan on making the shorts. So I'm going to be finishing up that and that tutorial should be coming up. I did not finish the I did not post a video yet of my cruise. I do have a little bit of footage from my cruise. I never posted it. So I want to work on that so I can edit it and post it for you. And honestly, I don't have a whole lot more on my plate as of sewing. Oh, the dress I told you about last week did release, the picnic dress by Pattern for Pirates. I'm gonna post a picture of it here. It is super cute. That was a really cute sew, so I love that one. Comment below and let me know, what should I sew this week? What should I do? What would you like to see? Because I don't know. I don't have anything in mind right now, but you know, that can change as the days go by. Anyway, I just wanted to stop and say hello. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. I hope you get some sewing done either today, tomorrow, or the rest of the week. Comment below and let me know what you think. Hope you comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't so you never miss any of our videos, and I'll see you all next time.